All right, people, continuing on the 30th anniversary Save the Sea Islands tour. Look where I be, back at NYC. Look who done joined me. What? Yes, look who over there.
Hey.
What's going on? Look who in the corner. What's up?
Hey, what's going on?
Canada. We about to do this like Brutus because we always knew this. Yes. So yeah, we back out here in NYC. So we about to go hang out. We about to have some good vegan food, see some of the family, and then check out the show. You know, what good is New York without checking out a show? So I cannot wait to see how they use my voice in this show. It's going to be quite intriguing. It's called Three Bones. So, you know, that can go a lot of different ways in the black community when we talking about these bones here. All right? Look at Prince's face like, right? So we going to find out what these musicians got in store with these three bones. We doing reading. Just these bones, you know, that's down in the valley. Is they dry bones? You know what we doing with these bones here? All right? There's things be going on with the Gullah Geechees around the bones. All right? Are we playing bones as we breaking this table here today? What we doing?
That's what I thought. I thought it was talking about 3 trombone players.
3 trombone players. See, it could be that. There's so many ways we can go with the bones. So we gonna see what they got for us, and then we gonna let y'all know how we enjoyed the show when we came up, because I finally get my debut at Carnegie Hall, so I get to add that to my CV. See, that's how the queen be doing this, but y'all don't want to believe me. But we know who we be. We be Gullah Geechee, anointed people. Peace, love, and blessings, fam. We gonna get back to you. But we on this tour, because Hunter must take care of the root for heal the tree. So look, yeah, we got the answer. These 3 tiny bones in our ears, the malleus, the hammer, the incus, the anvil, the stapes, the stirrups, amplify faint vibrations from the outside world, enabling our minds to transform these signals into the oral landscape we know. The sounds of laughter, arguments, raindrops, thunder, and of course music are born from the perfect alignment of these 3 bones, nature's own amplifier. 3 bones truly amplified who we be in the Gullah Geechee Nation and our connection to other indigenous communities. And this is a blessing during this 250th to be part of 3 bones. Yeah, these bones ain't them dry bones. They truly came to life, moist with community, culture, celebration, and definitely is a blessing to return to New York City to be featured in 3 Bones.